Welcome. In this tutorial, we will be gathering topography from Google Earth and bringing it into SketchUp with the ultimate goal of milling it on the CNC router. This method results in a quickly and easily made topography that is acceptable for most applications. It is important to note that I'm using SketchUp version 7 as this method will not work with SketchUp 8. We're going to start in SketchUp by getting rid of Sang. Then we'll go down to Google Earth, and here you can see I have part of my site selected. It's not the whole site, but just part of it. I'm going to click Get Current View, and it's going to grab like a screenshot and bring that into SketchUp. And you can see I can toggle the terrain here, and it gives it a 3D shape. And if we look at it from the top, you can see that when we toggle the terrain, it changes shape around the perimeter. When we do this, we want to have the terrain toggled so that we can see any sort of gaps that might be between our pieces. And here we go. We have two pieces now. And you can see that I've overlapped them. It's better to have more of an overlap than space between them, because any space between these pieces will lead to holes or really deep valleys in the mesh when we bring it into Rhino. So I'm just going to keep going, move over a little bit here, and we'll grab another capture. Here we go. This is what I'm talking about. You see this green space here? That's a hole because I hadn't overlapped my pieces sufficiently. And so if we were to drape this in Rhino, we'll end up with some funkiness in that area. So I'm just going to scoot over a little bit, and we'll grab it again. That's much better. The hole is gone. That's what we want to see. And we'll just keep doing this. I'm doing a relatively small site, just a couple square miles. But if you're doing a larger site, you may have 40, 50 of these screen captures. And it also matters what your zoom is on Google Earth, because the further out you are, the bigger piece you can grab, because it essentially grabs whatever you see in the screen here. And also, if you're making a large site, you might want to set up a hotkey. I have a hotkey for Get Current View in SketchUp. It makes the whole process a lot faster. Here we go. You can see from the top here that there aren't any holes. And as we kind of rotate it around, we don't see any green holes showing. So that means that everything's good. So we'll go up to File, and we're going to export this as a 3D model. And we'll export it. Click OK. And we'll go up and we will save. And now we can take our 3D model and import it into Rhino. And that will be the next video. Thanks.